Hey, you! Life is full of adventures. Discovering, creating, balancing, inspiring, loving. But responsibilities too, right? Working hard every day, pushing your limits. So when we say air conditioning, you say, meh, I can't use this damn thing. I don't want to think about it. And you're right. Introducing airHome. Integrated air purification. Auto-activates when you're on your way home. Saves energy when nobody is in the room. Helps to clean and maintain itself. And sets the perfect temperature to help you sleep without waking up too cold. airHome. Because life's too short to think about air conditioning.